One rainy night in Jaipur, when a simple cup of chai turned into something unforgettable. She only came to serve tea, but the storm outside awakened another within. Desire replaced silence, every touch a confession. A night of surrender where the rain couldn't quench what they ignited. Experience the full fantasy in Rainy Nights in Jaipur, a sensual comic that stirs every sense. Available now at, and this is just the beginning. More fantasies are coming, hotter, deeper, bolder. Subscribe to Inkspired Book Review and let the fantasies unfold.